This is a figure question using square roots that is learned in the 3rd grade of junior high school. We think it's a question that will help you develop your ability to think, because we need to use a lot of what you've learned in class to solve the problem with an outlook. If you think about it carefully, you will surely be able to solve it. In 1, find the length of EM. It can be found by subtracting the side length of the smaller square from the length of the side of the larger square. Since the area of a square is known, the length of a side can be found by taking the square root. By multiplying the same length, the area becomes 200 square centimeters, so the length of one side is square root 200 centimeter of the square root of 200 square centimeters, which is 10 square root 2 centimeter. Find the square root of the side of the smaller square in the same way. This time, the area is 98 square centimeters, so the length of one side is square root 98, which is 7 square root 2 centimeter. After that, subtract 7 square root 2 from 10 square root 2 and find that the length of EM is the remaining 3 square root 2 centimeter. In 2, find the area of the trapezoid. The area of a trapezoid is calculated by top side plus bottom side x height divided by 2. Since we already know that the bottom side is 10 square root 2 centimeter and the height is 3 square root 2 centimeter, we can find the answer if we know the top side. Here, we know that the area of the quadrangle MFCD is 70 square centimeters, and we also know that the length of this rectangle is 7 square root 2 centimeter. Multiplying the length and width gives the area of 70 square centimeters. Conversely, the horizontal length can be found by dividing 70 by 7 square root 2. By repeating the reduction and rationalization of the denominator, we can obtain the lateral length MD, that is, the length of the top side of the trapezoid. Now that we know that the top side is 5 square root 2 centimeter, let's calculate the area of the trapezoid. In the middle, the square of square root 2 becomes 2, and it also disappears when it is reduced.